Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me and mom in one
together on
place
on
the channel.
Yeah.
So today we have a little bit of a different video for you guys. You know, done this before. This is an unboxing of a kitchen item that my mom bought. So we thought it would be a good idea to share this with you guys because it's not really something we see very often out here, and she bought it online. So we thought we'd share it, what it is with you guys. So today we'll be unboxing. It's a bit heavy. This is a high-speed cooking blender. Alright, so you can see it here. It has all these other things. So we're gonna be unboxing it for you. So I have a little bit careful with me unboxing this stuff, guys. Make sure it's not damaged. Alright. There. Alright. So the first thing that we're seeing inside here, let me show you guys. It's quite protected. It's very much protected. It's not loosely packed, you kind of say. With the type of blender that it is, and how long it took to come. We thought something would have happened. So open it. Hopefully not. But open it. You have a little brochure on the different parts and the speeds. And then this is what the actual blender looks like. It's called Gallons Cooking Blender. Oh, this is the quick start guide. This is how you start the blender. Also, we're gonna do a little test run to see if it works with you guys also. And then this is the blender manual. Now this manual basically is supposed to tell you everything you can do, how to clean it, the things that you can make in there, what to do before use, after use, and all that little type of stuff. And if you have any problems, I run by. If you're running any problems, you know what to do. So let's start taking out the stuff. So first thing here, I don't know what this is.
Like the cover.
I'm working based off of this. So this is the cover, and there's a rubber underneath it.
Yeah, show them.
So this is the rubber part. I'm not really sure what the rubber part is for. I'm guessing, you know, not exactly sure. This rubber part is actually for the top right there, but we will figure it out.
Maybe somebody or watch it have one.
Oh, that's a cleaning brush. That's nice.
Yes, it did say that.
So you got a little cleaning brush for your blender. Not many blenders nowadays come with any cleaning brushes for it. Find them yourself. This is handy. This is the top part right there. Yeah.
So is the part where you can pull out.
Yeah. So this is the part where you can. So this is it says caution hot steam outlet valve. Right there. So I'm guessing through here, hot steam can come through. And then this is where we put on for the top of the blender right here.
Let's try to get everything.
So this is for the top.
And then you can see
now I'm guessing under here is for the big part, so we're going to take out the styrofoam. Alright. So here's the big part of it. First things first, we have these little pounding things where you use it here. But the good thing with this is that you can take out that part in there and use it.
Okay.
This is the jug. Oh wow. Weighty. The jug is very weighty.
Wow.
The jug is very weighty. Yes. This is the jug. It's a glass jug, just to be clear. So that was our biggest problem, knowing if it would come through without scratches, and it did. Came through without scratches. Yeah, came through without scratches. The only thing though that I'm not liking is the fact that this is the plastic is on top of it right here. So we would have to take off the plastic ourselves. We'll just rest it over there. But it's a very good jug. It's quite heavy. And it's 60 ounces. Yes, it's 60 ounces.
It's weighty, really
very. Yeah. Alright. Now the final part, and this the biggest part of it, is the base and the motor. Wow. It took everything.
Wow, this is a
very weighty.
Weighty, yes. Do you like about the kitchen here?
Look, it's heavier than that one.
The kitchen, no.
Honestly, I think it's heavier than the kitchen. For the glass itself, And they
So you
have,
can get the box out of here and let's
Yeah.
put it down.
so they put, you know, they have to put the cord in a little protective bag.
As the 3 sprongs.
But instead of the blender with the 3 sprongs.
They're more powerful to
Okay.
me.
So we're done with the box. We're gonna get the box out the way. Anything at the bottom? No. Alright.
I think this is nice.
This is
Show
very
them.
sleek. I love this.
Yes, the
very
base, it's really
is
classy.
So right
And if
here,
anybody here
you're looking at
this,
it and you must be wondering, where are the buttons? Where am I? It's digital. So when you plug it in, the buttons and everything come up right here.
display will come up.
So we're going to get our we're going to put it together and then get our extension. So we can
And
plug
can
it in and
take
show
out.
you guys what it
It's really classic though.
is.
This is really,
Is which way?
I think so.
Ah, there we go.
Normally, yeah, and then
You may not know it, you see? We need to take off this part, but we have to take this off after. Oh. Okay, guys, so we've taken off the sticker now, and you can see everything. Make sure you try to get the base and everything down there. Like, you see the base. This is the base,
Are
right?
you even gonna try to lift it?
Lifting this together as one is a bit heavy. I
It's
wouldn't.
a bit, yeah.
It's a bit challenging.
Yeah.
That's the next part there now. So this is the cover.
I think though this is a seal. Where do we put this?
This is a little different from all the other blenders, and we're going to put it on simple, so you have to turn it. You have to
So
go into
where,
right here,
where's
so
the
to click.
brochure? Let's see where the seal
Alright.
is.
So
I think this is a seal though, but it sits here.
yeah, it's a storage lid. No, it's a storage lid. So let's say, for instance, after you're done blending, the seal ring, they're right here saying the seal ring.
So what's this?
So after you're done blending, let's say, for instance, you have some left back, you put this on top of it to just keep it. Alright. Let's take off the blender top. The seal on it is very
But
tight.
why is it so?
The seal on it is very tight.
No, when you're moving it, why is it? Why is it?
So when you're done, you don't have to put back on the blender lid again. Because the blender lid is so
if in
hard
case
to
you
put
want to
on and
wash the
take
lid and
off.
put it everything on, so you
Exactly.
can have this. Okay.
So if you want to
Not-
wash
not
the lid
bad.
and put it somewhere, then you just use this little part and you
Yeah,
cover
because
it
sometimes
over.
you want to
Yeah.
leave the
'Cause
stuff in the
inside-
blender. Or if you even want to put it in the refrigerator, you could just wash. Okay, makes sense. Makes a little sense. I look like a son. You sure it's a
No,
look
it's
like a
though.
son?
It's though because
No, because right here some match up with the front. Some of that
oh
thing
well.
here,
It,
right?
oh
So-
yeah, yeah. This
Yeah.
way. I didn't see the spot right.
Okay, so
So
this
that's
is,
it
yeah.
for the assembly of it. And then this part now, you know, you can take out this part right here, so, and then you push down in here
So
when you want to do what you do.
let us look at the. I want to look at the normal one.
No, turn it to the other side.
Turn it left?
Yes.
Look, no. This is. I'm not getting this. You do it. Let's see. Why is it so hard? I should just lift
Oh, it should just leave
Just
it.
leave
My
it,
bad.
okay.
My bad. It should just
it.
leave
I am looking at these right here.
it. Which are the
I don't know. Like the blades. Trying to compare it with
the blades does feel quite.
yeah, they are very
sharp.
thick
They're very thick and sharp.
very thick and they're sharp and they are two pieces.
Yes. So you have a
Pointing up.
you have a one side of the blade is
Carry
like
up and short.
so one side of the blade is like as you can see, like this side over here, it's very straight edged, and then the other side has a like a little rough edge to it. Yeah. It's quite thick,
I think this it's really sturdy.
very sturdy.
The bowl the jug is sturdy. Hold on.
It will
I
take
think
a
you
little
should
bit of
just
time.
put it
No, the
down
arrow. There's
and
an arrow
fit
right
it.
here.
Okay. I don't like this part though. It's hard to fit down.
Okay, guys. So we finally got a little bit of an understanding on how to put it on, and the part right here put on the top. So we have a little bit of water in there, as usual. You know, test run with your blenders. Ooh,
Okay.
there we go. When you lock it in,
It turns on.
turns on. Now the back here,
Okay.
that's
I
off.
think no, you need to bring down the
Okay.
stuff somewhere.
Okay, if you guys can see. Yeah. So
Yeah.
the back right
Yeah.
here, there's an off and on button when you're finished. So you press it, you hear that little click, that means it's on. that's off right here. So I'm going to turn it to you now so you can see the front. Hopefully you can. Turn it on. You see?
You want to cut that some more?
Some of the, it's because of how the pale the buttons are kind of right there. So.
Okay.
Oh, what was that?
I don't know.
Okay. We're going to figure out how to use this properly. But these are all the digital parts right here. I'm not sure how basic I just that. Yeah. So all these little parts right here are digital. So all you do is just press on what you're doing. So let's say for instance, we're gonna try just juice. Medium, low. Yes. Stop. There's also if you're not there's also
smelling like a rubber
because you just start using
yeah, I
it.
know, but I never normally. Oh, so that was low.
Yes. Also,
but it's still, it sounds as if it's, listen, like this ACT.
the motor inside of it is running. We're gonna figure out how to use the problem.
Yeah.
But the motor inside of it is running. So
it's in motion.
it's in motion. So
that was low.
one thing though, when you press on these high, medium, low, there is specific times right here. So it counts down. So you can see right here, like it says 30 seconds. Let me show it to you.
Let them
You see 30 seconds right there?
Oh, so that's why it's still counting
Yeah,
down.
so low, and then you press, let's say for instance, frozen drink. Start. It builds
Ooh, so it has a timer.
yes,
Automatic
an automatic timer on it, yes.
Okay, so actually it says end right there.
Stop.
Okay.
And then
Clear it. Is there something to clear it? Can we not clear it?
Oh, but these like all in minutes. Oh, so the maximum of it is 2 minutes. Oh, this is how you work it right here. So, you see?
No,
You don't have
because
on your glasses.
no. So actually, it's
So each of these have a specific time.
you're not seeing.
Okay, no. Let me take. I'm gonna show you guys.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give you a better look at how this is right here because it's a black platform. So it's a little bit wait. Sorry. It's a black platform. So it's a little bit harder to see from up on the tripod. So these are all the buttons, you could kind of say, but you're not pressing buttons, it's just like a touch. So we have high, medium, low. These are the speeds. If you just want to do high, medium, low, that's just regular. Over here, these are the specific things on it that you can do. So there's juice, frozen drinks, smoothie, ice cream, sauce, saute, soup, and milkshake. And then to the side you have pulse, clean, because it does self-clean, and the start and stop button. And then you have these two little buttons right here going to the side. So these little buttons control the choice of what you're going to do. If you want to do a frozen drink, a juice, a smoothie, and ice cream. So let's say you want to do ice cream, for example. Go across, across. So when you see ice cream start blinking, that's when it's chosen ice cream as its option. Ice cream on this is 2 minutes and it goes automatic. Start and stop. And this is how it works for the ice cream. It starts and it stops and it starts and it stops. It gives it's a rest period. Also, it's not too loud. And then when you're done, you can stop it. When you feel like you've reached a consistency that you like, you can stop it. Now for like sauce, saute, soup is 20 minutes. It goes up to 20 minutes mostly because soup, I'm guessing, takes the longest time to blend all together.
Yeah.
And I'm guessing you can put hot water in there and cook it too. I'm guessing. I think so.
What?
Yes, I think so.
Put water?
Yeah, like hot water, the steam. That's why
Yes, I
there's a
know.
steam
That's
part
why
right
it
up
has
there.
that part.
Okay.
That's why it.
Okay, guys. So now that we've kind of just turned it off. Oh, so when it's off, the motor stops running. So we're gonna give you guys. Well, Mom is first. We're going to give her final reviews on it. We haven't tried anything in there of substance as yet. When we do try something like that, we will show you guys. Let's say, for instance, we're making like maybe a smoothie or something like that, and maybe we try ice cream in there, or like a sorbet or something like that. Then we will definitely show you guys a full, not tutorial, but a full video on how we actually used it, how well it turned out, and how much we like it that way. So let's just you on how you like it on its own right now.
Okay. Well, I have never seen anything like this before, actually. And first, I want to say, if anybody has any like this, you can just tell us in the comments below how it works. Might not be the same brand, but maybe
something similar
to this. So
yes,
you can share with us. Yeah.
As it says, if it's similar to a cooking blender, then
yeah,
fine.
you
And
can
if
share.
And
with
if it's
us.
digital,
And
it's
maybe
digital
somebody
cooking
might
blender.
just have the same brand.
Maybe, yes.
No, we have just tried watering it, showing it. Actually, I'm not acquainted with it as yet. I've got to do that for myself. I actually did get this because, as I was telling you, I want to start. I'm not on a diet. Remember I said that I'll be eating anything I feel to eat as long as it doesn't go against me. But I want to eat in smaller portions. I want to add more smoothies, more natural juice, more soups, more, so to speak, as opposed to a lot of rice and stuff, you know. So I was like scrolling, and then I found this. I think the price I got, it was marked. I had it there in the cart. Then I realized that it was marked down. So, because the price, I wouldn't say it's pricey for the price that it was when I first saw it. But at the time I could not afford it, so I left it in the cart. Because you know it's online shopping. So while scrolling to the cart a week or two after, I realized that it was marked down. So I just seized the opportunity. I think you'd say it's a pretty good price.
It's a very good let's say steal.
Yeah, I think for I'm in Jamaica, and what I got it for, and to get it here, and what I paid the shipping company,
yeah,
because of the weight, because you know the shipping company
yes,
goes by the weight. It will pay a little for it, but I think if I was to, but I paid for it online,
yes,
and pay to get the shipping.
Here,
if I was to, I think it would be. I think this is more than reasonable.
It's more than reasonable.
Yeah, if I was to buy it in Jamaica,
it's more than reasonable because
so,
first of all, these type of blenders really aren't out here in Jamaica.
I've never seen them. Maybe they are, you know. You have some up, like some up class supermarkets. Maybe they are there. I'm not gonna say that because we're not out like that. So, but you know, and if you shop online, it'll be easy for you more to access it. You see it, and you know what I'm saying, right? So, I think it's a good buy for right now. For me, I don't start using it as yet, but as my girl said, when we start using it, we're gonna be sure it might not. We're gonna get familiar with it. But for now, I think it's a nice little buy, and it's like more easier to get like a smoothie. And what I like about it, it has that you can stop it. Okay, it starts and stops. So if you think that your smoothie is at the right consistency, then you can just stop it. So I really like that. What I'm curious to do in it though is the soup. Yeah, soup is 20 minutes. Yeah, so what I'm really curious to do is to get the soups, because I want to include a lot of soups in my diet these days. And not necessarily soups like, with food. Because you know, we Jamaican, we have a way for soup of having some
but
dumpling.
But this is just like the soup, as in this is just the liquid on its own.
Exactly, that is the main reason.
So in here, you put
I bought it.
I want seasoning,
yes, and a little vegetables, and that is the type of soup I'm getting into these days. I'm trying to, I will eat a little of the soup, you know. I'm trying to get out of the soup the dumpling and the dasheen and the big yam. And honestly, I'm trying to get out of that. Not that I won't eat a little, but I want to get into more liquidy, you know, the spare liquid. Because I think that those, as I age, they go through my body more, and it nourishes my system more. You know, as you go, you go. So, my girl decided that we should do this unboxing. But as I tell you, when we do anything in it, we're gonna try to come and let you see,
How
so
we
you
do it.
can tell us what you think. So I'll turn it over to your camera girl's review
Okay.
to you.
So,
Tell her.
for me, I think this is a very good blender. Very up to date with technology, especially. You don't have to have all the buttons all the time to be like cleaning around the buttons when you're ready to clean it and all that stuff.
True.
The surface of it, very clean, very easy to clean off, especially just get a nice damp cloth, maybe a little soap, wipe it off, and that's it. You don't have to worry about water getting inside buttons here and there to do anything,
That's true.
because
That's
it has
true.
a clean slate right here. Also, like the jug, it's glass, which means it can take the heat, it can take the pressure of whatever you're putting inside there. I like the size, it is quite weighty, and it is good for its price. Also I like the hot and cold, what do you call
The
it?
motor that they put
Yes,
in.
the motor that they
It has
put
to
in there.
be a special
it says
motor.
it can go for hot and to cold as well. So I do like that you can go in between. You know, maybe not make it the hottest. Maybe when you're done after, you maybe have to put it on so if you want your soup hot,
but
hot.
true, we in a Caribbean people, we always want the
Soup
soup
hot,
hot.
hot.
But,
But you know, if it's just a regular person, you don't want the soup that hot.
right,
Then after you're done that, you can just pour it out and have it. I like the digital part of it where you can just easily touch, quite easy. There, you don't have to worry about anything really going wrong with that unless it's the motor itself will cause a problem. And there shouldn't be a problem caused with the motor because no water or anything is running out of it like that. The seal, the top of it, sealed very well. Compared to other blenders that I have seen out here, the seals of them are very loose after a certain amount of
not
time.
out here alone, on a whole.
Not out here alone, but on a whole, a lot of blenders sometimes after you use them a period of time, the seal of it becomes very loose. And also, I like that it's one of these where you can click it in and click it out, take it out, and click it in. It's kind of like the food processor that we have. So that way,
And
it's
the
more,
Ninja.
and the Ninja, it's kind of more,
Yeah.
it's not kind of more, it's more secure, because when you're blending something, you don't worry about the top flying off. Neither do you have to be holding it down on your hand like that.
Exactly.
You can just leave it and let it do what it's doing. So I do like that about it. Little things that it came with, yes, definitely. I like little on and off part right there, so, you know, you're not worried about nothing like if you like go or anything like that, you know. About that.
Not the noise reduction.
And the
but
noise
this is
reduction.
way cool.
It's not noisy.
No,
It's
Lord.
not noisy, not
No,
at all. Even
no,
on
it's
high,
not.
even on
It's
high,
not.
it is not
It's
noisy.
not.
Now,
That's
when
a
with
plus.
this in your hat.
Yeah.
Also,
And
this is the
this, yeah.
storage lane. I do like this. This is a bit, yeah, it's simple, but it's also creative and innovative because instead of having the blender top on it and to take off the blender top and lift it out with the seal, you have a little storage lid. You can just easily take it off and put it back on. Wipe
Which
it
makes
out when you're ready.
sense.
And also, there is a self-cleaning part of it. So when you're done, you know, if you're going to stink and a scrub and this and
Yeah,
that.
because sometimes after when you're finished using with that one there, but the Ninja, with
Yeah.
that long straight piece. of stuff.
Exactly.
Let me
It
tell
is
you,
hard. It is
the
hard.
tall part to this Ninja, I don't
It's-
even use
no.
that thing.
It's very hard to
I don't
use.
even use that thing. This tall piece with the only pass step. I honestly, I can't deal
And you
with
get
it.
more stuff inside of this because you don't have the long part right there. So
Yeah, this mega
if you
part
want
right there,
anything, see the part here, you put it in there and you just mash it around and it continues to do what it's doing. So I think that's good about it as well.
I
say
think
it's
this
a
is
very
crushed
good
ice.
blender.
I think this
Yes,
is crushed,
yes.
crushed ice.
Yes.
Like to bring ice to snow.
Probably just put it on high.
Yeah. I don't know. As we go through the brochure,
Then we will see what is
Yeah.
what. But I definitely think that this is a very good blender. It's the best blender you have
and
bought.
okay, no.
Yeah.
But I want them to tell us one more thing before we go. Camera Girl was suggesting, family, that I have been using different pots. I've been using like colored pots now, still, you know, mixed with my other long time pots. And she was saying, Mom, I think you are building a collection of pots. And people keep asking, Miss Debbie, your pots are nice, and people keep commending, you know, mostly on the cooking channel. I just want to say thank you. Maybe the cooking people might not see this, some will see it. Camera Girl was suggesting for me to do a pot collection video. I don't want to do it. She has been saying that, Mommy, I think people would like to see and to know. But if you think you would like to see that, to see my pot collection, because there are some that you have not seen as yet, I know. I haven't used all. So if you'd like to see that, you can let me know in the comments below, and then I'll see how many people say, and then I would maybe think about it, and then to see, you know, if it would still convince me to do. But Camera Girl wants me to do, because, you know, it's a family channel and stuff. She said, Mom, I think you should do a pot collection. If you think that I should do a pot collection video, let me know in the comments below. It is your word against Camera Girl alone word. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Yes. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review, and if you'd like to see more, you know, a little gadgets and stuff maybe put in our kitchen that's different like this, then we'll definitely consider it and see if we can do some more if you like it.
Yeah, and also we want to, as we go along and use like pots and stuff, I want to give you the feel of the pots, because some are fine when you're cooking in them, some are disappointing to me. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again
in another video.
Yes,
bye guys.